wig from Charmanty hair. If I'm saying that incorrectly, please forgive me. Today we're going to just do a unboxing of a wig that I received from Charmanty. So let's open her up. First impression of the packaging is absolutely stunning. Look at this box. Like, are you serious? How cute is that? And so it opens here. And so inside of the packaging, like, how cute is this? So you have the wig here, and then also inside of the box, it comes with some really cute lashes. I don't know if you guys can see those, but some really cute lashes, as well as a HD wig cap. So these are the kind of caps that I use to install my lace wigs. The HD caps, they're a little bit different from the normal caps that you get at the store. These are undetectable and they're really thin, so it makes for a better install, a more natural looking install, especially when you're doing one with the color hair that I have. You guys will see it in a minute. These are some little nail wraps, and then it also came with the wig band, which is going to come in handy because I don't know if I have one still, but this one is a little bit wider, so this is going to be really nice to have. And then also they have a edge brush and a rat tail comb, which I was needing anyways. Why have rat tail combs gotten so expensive at the store? So I'm so happy that they included that in my packaging. But let's get to the start of the show. The wig. Can't take it. Alright, so opening. I love when companies start sending, like, I don't know if companies have been doing this, but I love that they send the wigs in these little silk baggies, because bundles and wigs, once you have so much of it, you need a way to store it. So I like that they have the bag, and I like that they have the box as well, so I'll be able to like store it a little bit better. So at first look, I have a blonde wig. The reason I got blonde was because my hair is already like a lighter brown, so I can't really do black. So it's easier for me to just get a blonde wig and color it brown with highlights, you know, closer to my natural hair than it is for me to buy a black wig and then bleach it and hope that it turns out right after I bleach it. So finding a good blonde wig is, but anyway, so what I have is I think it's a 24-inch blonde straight wig. So I have a 24-inch blonde straight wig, and honestly, I plan to cut it. I want more like a blunt cut, so I just got it 24 inches so that I could leave room to cut it and it still look, you know, pretty full. Out of the pack, so let me take this off. I don't know about y'all, but I'm so thankful for when people do reviews on hair that has like either not been around for a long time or hair that I haven't seen around, because you just never know like what companies to trust. So I always appreciate reviews on wigs, and I feel like we've kind of gotten away from like hair reviews, honestly. So this is the wig fresh out of the box. And I'm not gonna lie, she's gorgeous. It smells good. And I would say it's definitely true to the 24 inches. So let's take some of this out. And they have the wig secure. It's not going anywhere inside of that package. All right, so let's look at the inside of the wig. It does have clippies in there. So you have a lot of clips. So So I'm definitely probably gonna cut out these two and then this one. I'll leave the one in the back, but I do like that it has a band in here. So if you're wanting to wear it as like a glueless wig, you definitely can. And then it also has more reinforcements in there. So I'm just gonna take this out. And you can remove it as well. So if you want to remove it and remove all the clips, you definitely can. The wig is very well constructed. And then the lace is actually really nice. So this. The hairline does look to be a little bit customized, as you can see. But I am gonna pluck it a little bit more. Yeah, it's definitely customized. I love that. All right, but this is the wig. What do you guys think? She's actually stunning and the density is there. That is the wig. Let me know what you guys think. I will put some more specs down in the description section about the company, the direct link to the wig, and let me know if you have any questions about the company, about the entire customer service process. I will say the shipping was extremely fast. I got it in maybe about 2 to 3 days. The company was very good with communication. I can't wait for you guys to see what my install is gonna look like. So make sure that you catch my next video on me installing the wig and doing some styling and giving you my opinion and my thoughts post install. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and happy holidays. Bye.